Welcome to the fascinating world of stem cells, the body's master cells, holding the incredible potential to develop into various specialized cell types that make up our tissues and organs. These unique cells are essential for growth, repair, and maintenance, acting as a natural repair system to replenish other cells. Whether it's healing a wound or replacing damaged cells, stem cells play a crucial role in keeping our bodies functioning optimally. Remarkably, it is estimated that stem cell therapies could potentially address up to 80% of diseases, highlighting their immense importance in medical science and human health. Stem cells work by dividing and differentiating into various specialized cell types, which then perform specific functions within the body, such as forming muscle, blood, or brain cells, thereby aiding in the body's growth, repair, and maintenance processes. Several factors can inhibit stem cell growth and function. Aging naturally reduces the regenerative capacity of stem cells, leading to diminished growth and repair abilities. Exposure to radiation can damage DNA and impair stem cell proliferation. Toxic chemicals and pollutants in the environment can also be detrimental, inhibiting stem cell growth and differentiation. Chronic inflammation creates a hostile environment for stem cells, preventing them from effectively proliferating and repairing tissues. Additionally, nutritional deficiencies, such as lack of essential vitamins and minerals, can hinder stem cell function, as proper nutrition is vital for cellular processes. Smoking is another critical factor, as the harmful chemicals in tobacco can damage stem cells and further inhibit their growth and differentiation. Eating a diet rich in certain foods and drinks can significantly boost stem cell growth and enhance their regenerative capabilities. Top of the list for foods are blueberries, packed with antioxidants that protect cells from damage and support stem cell function. Fatty fish, such as salmon, provides essential omega-3 fatty acids that enhance stem cell activity and reduce inflammation. Nuts and seeds, particularly those high in vitamin E, protect stem cells from oxidative stress. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and kale are loaded with sulforaphane, a compound that has been shown to activate stem cell growth. Additionally, dark chocolate, rich in flavonoids, can help promote stem cell health. When it comes to beverages, green tea stands out, rich in polyphenols which promote stem cell longevity and proliferation. Pomegranate juice, known for its high antioxidant content, helps protect and boost stem cells. Red wine, in moderation, contains resveratrol, which supports stem cell function. Bone broth provides essential amino acids and minerals that aid in stem cell repair and growth. Lastly, matcha tea offers a concentrated source of antioxidants and polyphenols, promoting stem cell activity and overall cellular health. Incorporating these foods and drinks into your diet can provide the necessary nutrients to support and boost stem cell growth. Incorporating a diet rich in nutrient-dense foods and beverages is crucial not only for boosting stem cell growth and function, but also for enhancing the immune system and promoting longevity. As these choices provide essential antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, polyphenols, and other bioactive compounds that collectively support cellular health. Reduce inflammation, protect against oxidative stress, and improve overall well-being. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the incredible world of stem cells and their vital role in our health. By understanding the powerful impact of the right foods and drinks, we can take proactive steps towards boosting our stem cell function, strengthening our immune system, and enhancing our overall longevity. Remember, small changes in our diet can lead to significant improvements in our well-being. Stay curious, stay healthy, and until next time, take care of your cells so they can take care of you.